دلوقتي انا موجود في معبد فيلة. Hi, how are you doing?
Hey, yeah, very good.
What's your name and where are you from?
My name is Maria. I'm from Spain.
What's the favorite thing that you can do in Spain? Best
I'm
thing
from
to
the
do.
north of Spain.
Okay.
And the thing that I like most from there is the beach.
The beach.
I love going to the beach,
Okay.
yes.
And what is your favorite Spanish food that you recommend me to eat?
Spanish tortilla.
Spanish tortilla.
yeah, Spanish
Okay.
tortilla.
And what is your favorite word in Spanish that you can teach me? I would love to learn this from you.
I will say you one. I am from the north of Spain, from the
Okay.
Basque country.
Okay.
So I'm going to teach you one word in Basque.
Yeah? Imba.
In Basque,
Imbas. What that means?
kaiso.
Kaiso.
It's hello.
Kaiso.
Kaiso.
Kaiso. If you're going to tell me the most special thing about Spain.
Going to the beach.
Going to the beach.
Yeah.
So Spain
That's
is
it, going
like
to the
most
beach.
beautiful
Yes.
thing for the beaches.
Yes. We
Okay.
have very beautiful beaches there.
I'm so happy to meet you and I hope to go to Spain to go to the beach as you
Okay.
told me. Amigos, how to say bye in Spanish?
Amigos.
Amigos.
Yeah.
Amigos.
Amigos.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Bye. Bye bye.
باي. دلوقتي انا بستكشف بقى معبد فيلة. اول مره اجي المعبد بجد. المعبد فيه كم تفاصيل وكم اماكن غير طبيعي، كله عواميد في كل مكان. مكان بجد غير طبيعي. يعني بصوا كم التماثيل، كم النقوشات اللي موجوده عليه. بصوا من هنا الشكل بتاعه بجد مش متخيل. يعني كم العراقه والاصاله والتفاصيل اللي هنا، والمكان كله بيبص على النيل. بجد مش متخيل الروعه اللي انتوا شايفينها. مش متخيلين الروعه اللي انا شايفها دلوقتي. انا موجود في معبد وفجاه ببص على النيل. انا موجود في معبد وفجاه ببص على النيل. بصوا حواليا النيل في كل مكان، وصخور وطبيعه، حاجه غايه في الجمال والروعه. Come to my side. سليم كالعاده. Hi, how are you doing?
Good. How are you?
I'm awesome. Thanks for asking. I would love to get your name and where are you from?
Hi, I'm Shraddha. I am from Mumbai, India.
Shadda. Interesting. I would love to ask you about India. Like, what's the main thing that you recommend me to do in India? Like, the best thing that
Yes.
will give me the local culture of India. If it's my first time to go there.
India is quite diverse. To kind
Okay.
of visit it in like 2 minutes, but
Okay.
you could do different things. If you're very spiritual and you like history, there are different ancient temples to
I'm
visit
very
across.
into local culture.
Local culture.
Yeah. Food.
Food, yeah, lovely food in India.
Indian
if
food.
you like, yes.
Okay.
So you can visit Delhi. You can visit Hyderabad has one of the best foods. Lucknow has great
Awesome.
food.
Okay. And what is your favorite city of India? Like the city that you really find yourself at?
Born and brought up in Mumbai, so I think
You're born in Mumbai.
I'll give my
Okay.
points to Mumbai.
Mumbai.
But apart from that, if you love food,
Okay.
Delhi is also a great place to.
Interesting. What's your favorite Indian word that you can teach me if I want to get like familiar with the Indian language?
Okay. My two favorite words would be chalo. Chalo
Chalo.
means let's go.
Chalo.
Could be let's go anywhere.
In Arabic, it's yalla.
Yeah. Oh.
Yalla chalo.
Oh.
Awesome. Okay.
So yeah,
your
and the second word could be chalta hai, which is like everything is okay for us.
Chalta.
Chalta hai.
Chalta hai?
Yes.
Okay, that's really interesting. I'm so
Great.
happy for having you on my video, and I
Thank
would love
you.
to meet you in India maybe one day.
Surely.
Thank you.
Bye.
Have a good day. Bye.
Thank you.
Okay.
One she likes.
This is like a painting.
Okay, you have to.
بصوا بقى المكان ده فيه ده من احسن الاماكن اللي موجوده هنا. الناس واقفه تتصور فيه لانه معبد على النيل على طول. دي حاجه مثيره للاهتمام جدا. بصوا البنت دي.
Just don't fall.
الناس
Just don't fall
كلها
out.
مصوره لان هو المعبد باصص على النيل، فاغلب الناس هناك عماله تصور البنت.
Jezebel's favorite song?
بصوا بقى المكان اللي انا فيه، المدخل ده رهيب زي ما بره كده، رهيب جدا، مليان تفاصيل كتير قوي. كل حته فيه تفاصيل. بصوا زي هنا كده الحته دي كلها مليانه تفاصيل. بصوا كم عواميد غير طبيعي. العواميد هنا كتير جدا. العواميد هنا كتيره جدا بشكل غير طبيعي، وفي نفس الوقت بصوا في كم تفاصيل رهيب موجوده هنا. ودي بصراحه حاجه مختلفه جدا. هو المعبد كله بصراحه معمول على النيل بشكل حلو قوي ومثير للاهتمام. معبد فيلة من اكتر الاماكن المميزه والمختلفه بالنسبه لي. Hi, how are you doing?
Hi,
All good?
I'm good, thank you very much.
I would love to get your name first.
I'm Sibel.
Can we stay to be able to talk better? Yeah.
Yes, but I need to move because the
We
group
can
is
walk and
waiting.
talk. Your name is?
Yeah, Sibel.
Sibel. Where are you from, Sibel?
I am Turkish.
It's. I think like it's not gonna make you be. You're Turkish, okay?
Yes.
And you're where do you live now for the moment?
I'm living in Barcelona.
Barcelona. Interesting. So I would love to know from you like what's the best thing that you recommend me to do if it's my first time to go to Barcelona, as you're living there. What's the best thing that I can do there?
You can go to the beach.
Interesting. The most
Yeah.
thing and the best thing is the beach.
Yes,
Okay.
you can root yourself after the
Okay.
trip.
What is your favorite Spanish word?
Vamos.
Vamos. What that means?
Let's go.
Let's go. Vamos.
Yeah.
Okay. And if it's my first time to go to Spain, what are you going to tell me about the Spanish people? Like, what's the best thing that you see and you think that the Spanish people are popular with or are good with?
They are
Come
welcoming
to my
you.
side
I
and
will
look at the
welcome
camera.
you very well.
Okay, they are very welcoming.
Yes.
Okay, regarding Egypt, and you're in Egypt right now, in Aswan, why did you choose Egypt specifically, and why did you choose Aswan to come here today?
It's a very long story.
Okay,
Therefore, I
we can
start.
say it short. Like the main reason that's why you
Love.
were here. Love. You love
Love.
Aswan and you love Egypt.
Deeper than that, you can count this.
Deeper. Wow, you're very deep. Okay, I'm so happy for talking with you, and I would love to teach you an Arabic word,
Yes.
which is like when we're going to go and when we're like it's like bye in English. It's like salam. It's the easiest word that you can say.
Okay.
Salam. Salam.
Salam.
Thank you.
Bye.